YouTube and 90%, and I lost 23% of my battery charge in probably less than half an hour by YouTube, listening to music at YouTube. This is some type of fun. Airplane mode means you go offline. So I don't pay for premium. And I get a question, and have you paused? I can say yes, can say no. But that much they also put already in your phone. So how many times or how long was I listening? And I have to say, there is also the second time you do it, then you got less chance of it all going on. It's very long. Listening offline to YouTube without paying for the premium. Airplane mode. Oh, nice music. Now, okay, I put on airplane mode again. Back online, the green. Yes. Continue watching, listening. Thanks for confirming. I'm not really completely against YouTube, but there's also something else. Help the poor. Pay out the taxes or your dividends.